Here are 5 ways I use my herbal oil treatment on my natural hair to optimize hair growth. If you want to know how to make your own herbal oil treatment at home, I have a video on that on my page and I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys to check out. So the first way I use my herbal oil treatment to optimize hair growth is as a pre-poo treatment. So basically a pre-poo is the routine you do before actually washing your hair, and I love to do this treatment on a dry hair. I always add the oil on my palm first to just get it warm a little bit, then I add it to the strands of my hair. When you're doing this routine, don't add the oil to your scalp. You just want to add it to the strands of your hair, and especially if you suffer from dry hair after washing your hair, you notice that your hair is dry, it's always breaking, and you want to add a little bit more moisture to your routine. Doing this pre-poo treatment actually helps your hair to have that shine and also that moisture, so your hair isn't stripped when you wash your hair. And what I'll suggest you do is that try and do this on a dry hair. But if you don't want to do it on a dry hair, you can add a little bit of warm water to just dampen your hair a little bit, not for it to be wet. And when you do this before you wash it, you see changes to your hair. And I'll suggest that anytime you do this, you can do this basically every single time you wash your hair. It's not, you don't have like a time frame for it. You can do this before your wash day routine, and you notice that change on your hair. So after I'm done doing this, what I always do next is to use a plastic bag or a shower cap over my hair and let that stay for like 15 to 30 minutes, to just let that sit on my hair before actually now going on my wash day routine. So the second way I use my herbal oil treatment is with my conditioner. I love to do this method a lot, and most times I just mix it up with a bowl, or you can actually just do it in your shower routine, like put your conditioner and use the oil to lock in that moisture. But today I'm going to be using a bowl to just show you how I do this. I most likely just eyeball it, like I just check if this is enough. If I need to go in with more, I always add more. So I'm just going to mix it up and then you'll be ready to use it. That's all you need to do. So what this does is that it helps people with dry, brittle and damaged hair, and it also, the oil helps to lock in the conditioner's moisture into your hair, which helps to penetrate the shaft longer and more effectively. It adds that extra moisture and shine to your hair. It helps to reduce the appearance of split ends, and basically it helps with damaged hair. So if you continue to do this method, you see a lot of changes to your hair, and I absolutely love doing this because it helps to lock in that extra moisture from my conditioner. So the third way I use my herbal oil treatment on my hair is with my protein treatment. So this is very similar to your DIYs or whatever hair treatment you want to add to your hair. So what you're going to do basically is the same thing you did for your conditioners. You're just going to add your herbal oil to your treatment. So I'm currently running out of my protein treatment, so I'm just going to add my herbal oil directly to the container since I'm already almost out. So when you're doing this with your DIYs, you're going to do the same similar thing. So what this does to your hair, basically, like adding the oil enhances your protein treatment and make your hair absorb the treatment better. So basically what protein treatment does to your hair is that you enhances the overall appearance of your hair. The treatment improves your hair density, elasticity, and strength. It also helps to make your hair look shinier and softer, and through protein treatment you can get a better looking and healthier hair after one session. So basically all what this protein treatment does to your hair, all the benefits, adding that oil just enhances your treatment better, and also it helps to lock in moisture better on your hair. And when I'm done with this treatment, I love to go in with a steam cap, or if you don't have a steam cap, you can always go in with a shower cap and put a towel over your head. But I love to use a steam cap because it makes it a lot faster for me to deep condition. So when you do your DIYs, I always suggest that you deep condition with after doing that, because deep conditioning helps to add that extra moisture to your hair. It helps to prevent damage because your hair thrives on moisture. If your hair is not moisturized, basically you damage your hair, you get breakage, and it also helps to reduce split ends. So the fourth way I use my herbal oil treatment on my natural hair is as a hot oil massage. So what I'm going to do is to get a bowl, add a little bit of hot water, then add my herbal oil to that water. So what it does is to warm up your oil a little bit for your hair massage. So when I do this, I always do it on dry hair, and I always focus more on my scalp, the roots of my hair, but you can also add it to your hair strands. So when you do this, you can use a scalp massager, but if you don't have a scalp massager, you can always use your fingers as an alternative. So when you massage your scalp, it basically helps to promote blood flow on your scalp, which helps in hair growth. So when you do this massaging every time, I suggest you do it once in a week or twice in a week. So when you do this, your when you do this massaging on your scalp, the oil addresses the roots of your hair and strengthens it. If the roots of your hair are strong, your hair growth will automatically be decent. So when you do this every time, it helps also it remove dandruff to your hair, it strengthens your hair, thickens your hair, treats split ends, prevents hair fall, and also prevents hair freeze. So when you do this, just try and do like 10 seconds to each sections, and you notice that you have a tingling feeling on your scalp, which is not normal. When I do this regularly after my wash days. So I've noticed a little bit of hair thickening, and I'm also using this to grow back my edges. So I focus more on my edges when I do this hot oil massage. So just also like a note to do this on dry hair. You don't do this on damp hair. I always make sure my hair is dry before doing this. Then I always go in with a shower cap, or if you don't have a shower cap, you can go in with a plastic bag, and I leave this in for 15 to 30 minutes before I actually rinse it out. So the last way I use my herbal oil treatment is as a leave-in oil. So I always do this after I've put in my cream on my hair. I always do the LCO method, or you can do the LOC method, which is liquid, oil and cream. But in this video I did the LCO method, which is liquid, cream and oil. I've already washed on my wash day routine before, and I added my cream. Then I'm going to go in with my herbal oil. So what this does basically is to lock in the moisture from my treatment. It helps to lock in your moisture, and also it helps to promote hair growth because of the properties of the herbs in the oil. It helps to stimulate hair growth, and when you do this method, basically you lock in moisture better with your hair. And I always do this LCO method because I find out that it works well with my natural hair. You can try out the LOC method, whichever one works for you, but I always love to do this method on my hair. And after doing this, I always still go in with the scalp massager because it just helps it to penetrate better to my hair. And sometimes I use my fingers also, as you can see in this video. I'm also using my fingers to help the oil to penetrate my shaft better because of my hair porosity. My oils tend to just sit on my hair strands, so I always like to go in with my fingers or my scalp massagers just to help the oil to penetrate my hair shaft better. So you can see I'm going with my scalp massager. I love to massage my scalp after doing my wash day routine. It's always like my last routine that I do on my natural hair. So let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful for you. Let me know if there are other ways you use your herbal oil treatment or your natural hair. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss any uploads from me. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.